You need a right to play before you get a right to win.
We created in-house something sensational and never seen before, nut butter spreads.
I have not seen in India such type of fruit nut spreads.
There the पंडित started doing the पूजा, बीच में रुक गया और गलत मंत्र बोलने लग गया।
यार सीधा मुद्दे पे आते हैं क्या? तो यहाँ तो भसड़ मची हुई है यार।
We are building Agency Mart to solve the complex process of hiring a service provider.
For agencies, thing that works best is trust-based referral. तुम्हारा जो recommendation है, I cannot trust on.
No one in the country, absolutely no one in the country is doing this.
Solve for the price point. 500 रुपए नहीं मिलेंगे इसके.
We have successfully closed 50 lakhs worth of requirement, getting us a revenue of 7.5 lakhs.
पैसे मिलेंगे कि नहीं पता नहीं तो popularity contest जीत गए तुम.
We have 500 plus customers generating a 3.5 lakhs of revenue.
The only thing I have to tell you is बंद करो इसको और कुछ करो.
At Mesa, we run our in-house incubator. It's called the Mesa Startup Lab. We have 21 startups that are being incubated as we speak across a bunch of different sectors. Everyone's doing a lot of exciting work. Today, our top 3 startups will be pitching to the OG shark Anupam Mittal, as well as our very own in-house shark Ankit Agarwal. So, without taking any more time and without further ado, I present our first startup. We have got somebody who is trying to bring the next revolution in the healthy snacking market. Please give a big round of cheer for Lucky from Everjon Nutrition.
Good evening, Anupam. Over the last couple of years, we have seen a lot of change and shift happen in this industry. Right, the very basic things, one, the smart snacking. Concepts like smart snacking, better for you snacking, or healthier alternatives popping up into the market, left, right, and center. But when these questions come in, there's oftentimes one clear question that we should ask. Are these choices just healthier or truly healthy? And there's a big difference. And that's exactly where Evero comes in, leveraging a space food technology to transform your favorite foods into a crunchy snack and combining the nutrition of whole fruits with the convenience of modern snacking to deliver a snack that's not just light in weight, but in calories too. We are transforming these fruits into crunchy snacks with a shelf life of 2 years and retaining more than 95% of its nutrients and fibers. And this is what makes it truly healthy without using any preservatives. You can have them anytime, anywhere. I mean, just imagine having a pineapple right out of your packet. But then again, we have seen a recent theme, a recent change as well that has come here. How do I give protein to my kid? There are a lot of protein bars and whey proteins and protein powders available for us, but not for our kids. So that is where we created in-house something sensational and never seen before, nut butter spreads. No one in the country, absolutely no one in the country is doing this what we have achieved. We are completely bootstrapped. We have done an R&D for like last 16 months, spent about almost like 25 to 30 lakhs and spent into it and built our own manufacturing unit as well. So everything that you're seeing here has been manufactured in our own facility.
Very interesting. सच कहूँ तो पहले मैंने सिर्फ ये देखा था. I had not noticed these spreads. And so I thought the only thing I have to tell you is बंद करो इसको और कुछ करो. Because ये बहुत है, जगह जगह मिलता है. And इसमें it is more about cracking the supply chain. जितने में भी आप बेचोगे उससे सस्ते में बिकेगा. Because as a byproduct in fruit harvesting ये सब निकलता है. तो जो fruit सड़ जाता है ना, farmers उसको sun dry करके ये बना सकते हैं. When you look out next 2 years, you put a big number there. Let's just go with that 100 crores. Where does it come from?
This majority comes from these nut butters, which is a daily spread, because this is something that's consumed very frequently.
How big is the market for healthy snacking today?
Healthy snacking, it's around like 10,000 crores like that we are seeing, and again expected to grow because the rate of growth of healthy snacking is way higher than the rate of growth of just the snacking
Who's the
market.
biggest in the category?
I would say there are prominent names, but they have a very broad collection, which is like True Elements that we have. Then there's like Whole Truths, the likes of Whole Truths also.
As a brand, you have to pick what to stand for in the beginning. And if I look at your current product line, your snack versus your spread, what has a better product market fit?
I'd say the spreads.
The spread, right?
Yeah.
It is enabled by the technology that you build for the snack. That is right. But the product market fit is there more for the spread. So as a starting point, as a wedge into the market, I would suggest that you go with where you have a right to win.
I mean, I have not seen in India such type of fruit nut spreads. And this should be your hero according to me. But you have fallen in love with this world's lightest snack line and you're going to struggle to let it go. इसका प्राइस क्या?
The 200 grams jars are somewhere around like 500, 550. Like
So
different
that's
flavors.
another problem. You're gonna have a big problem. You'll have to solve for the price point. 500 रुपए नहीं मिलेंगे इसके.
Not the small one, the bigger ones.
The bigger ones. How much
Yeah.
is this for?
These are part of an assorted pack like this because
How
a
much
lot
is
of
how much
parents-
is that?
This for like $1,200, like $11.99 for 5.
Okay, you still have to think about price point in my view, but I think this is the story, man. You can create a healthy brand in this category. Sauces, ketchup. You know, bad ketchup is for you, but don't do ketchup. I just invested in a ketchup company. But other than that, do everything else. Good luck.
Yeah.
Next up, we have Harsha Arnav. Okay. I suppose no intro needed.
भाई पैसे मिलेंगे कि नहीं पता नहीं, तू popularity contest जीत गया तुम.
Hi Anupam. Hi everyone. Let me introduce you to Rahul, founder of Third Skin. He's a fashion and apparel brand. Rahul wants to increase his sales, and for that he requires a performance marketing agency. And for that he goes on to Google, where he finds a long list of service providers, each making big claims. Then he puts it on LinkedIn, where his comment section gets bombarded with so many pictures and tags. And at the end, the founders group, where his DM gets filled with so many referrals. Then he decides to call a few. Half of them turns out to be irrelevant, and with other half, he has to repeat his requirement again and again. After he's conveyed his requirement, agencies take their own sweet time to come up with relevant information.
So, for people like Rahul, we are building Agency Mart to solve the complex process of hiring a service provider. So now when Rahul comes up with his requirement to us, we will set up a discovery call to understand his requirement in detail and with documenting the same so that he does not has to explain it to multiple agencies again and again. Once this is done, we now look at our database and match 3 to 5 agencies for him. Once he has the proposals, he can now do a side-by-side comparison based on the qualitative parameters provided by us.
Till now, we have received 30 plus requirements from 20 plus clients worthing to 2 plus CR, out of which we have successfully closed 50 lakhs worth of requirement, getting us a revenue of 7.5 lakh.
Guys, interesting problem. I like the name as well. And I think it's a real problem. Companies of all hues and sizes struggle with discovery of agencies in various different disciplines, whether it's marketing, whether it's design, whether it's search engine optimization, whatever. We do struggle as well. And as you said, Fiverr and all these are made for freelancers, not as much for agencies. So the problem certainly exists. What I'm trying to get my head around is whether this is the solution. Essentially, you are becoming a super agency. Problem with agency businesses is scalability. How do you solve that problem?
First, we took a tech-first approach because that is the problem, that it is scalable. If we become a super agency, that is not capable, which is very true, and that is what we have realized in the last 6 months. That's in our journeys.
So let's say you want to build a website. Now when you reach out to agency, he will say, okay, he will show you 5 references and he will say, I will build this for you. And now you have certain expectations in your mind that are not documented either on the agency front or on your front, right? So the most important thing that we feel in the whole circle, in the whole cycle, is to document things well.
Nahin yaar, I don't think that is a problem. Documentation alone cannot solve this problem. Otherwise, every agency would have done that very well.
Our value proposition is that we are a one point of contact for you to find any service provider throughout your journey of, let's say, 5 to 6 years.
For agencies and things like that, the thing that works best is referral, right? Trust-based referral. तुम्हारा जो recommendation है, I cannot trust on. तुम तो उससे पैसे ले रहे हो, तो सोचो उसके बारे में थोड़ा.
Yep, done. Thank you.
Okay, on to the final pitch for the day. A lot of players coming in the faith tech landscape with a bunch of different things that they're doing. But Aditya and Divyam have their own take on this very exciting, booming, upcoming space. Let's see what Aditya and Divyam are bringing to us with Hamara Pandit.
Namaste, I'm Divyam. And I'm Aditya, and we're building a faith tech startup called Hamara Pandit. We're getting real blessings from real temple directly to your home. But we're more than that. We're on a mission to revive something that's missing in our generation, and that is faith. We're in one of the most connected generations, yet people haven't felt more alone, anxious, and directionless. Mental and emotional health are on a turmoil. Hope is missing. Trust is broken. Well, faith feels inaccessible. when I moved to the States and kind of achieved everything that I wanted to do with my life, I still wasn't very content and felt hollow. And that was due to the fact because I was distant from one of the most important things, and that was failure.
I was getting a puja done in a very big temple. There the pandit started doing the puja. फिर बीच में रुक गया और गलत मंत्र बोलने लग गया. मैं being a very religious person, I went into a trust spiral that if I can't really trust this person, the gatekeeper of religion, who can I really trust? So the vision of Hamara Pandit is to be the go-to platform for everything Hinduism. You have a question, you want something, or you just need hope. Hamara Pandit is there for you.
And where does Hamara Pandit lie in over here is we want to do a journey where we'll do problem diagnosis using astrology so that you can get it personalized ki aapki kya problem chal rahi hai. Then we provide you those remedies according to those problems, and which will be fulfilled by the blessed products route. So coming on to what we've done for the past couple of months, we kicked off our journey at Mahakumbh itself. What we've done is we have 500 plus customers, generating a 3.5 lakhs of revenue, have more than 2 million plus of Instagram views. We've onboarded 15 plus temples and have listed 80 plus SKUs on the website. We want to introduce you, but you still ask, astrology kahan se aata hai? So we present to you Hamara Pandit's AI Palmistry app. Do we do a product demo?
Yeah, sure. So it is mostly where you scan your palm. We give you what according to the palmistry works for you, and it is very alpha, so the results might not really work in your favor also, but or they just might be right.
Like I always say, I don't believe in God, but I don't want him to know that. यार इंटरेस्टिंग है यार, सीधा मुद्दे पे आता है क्या? हाँ, तो यहाँ तो भसड़ मची हुई है यार. लोगों ने इतना, कम से कम 10 एस्ट्रो कंपनी ने स्टार्ट कर लिया. एस्ट्रो के आगे कुछ भी जोड़ लो, उसकी कंपनी मिलेगी आपको, ठीक है? और उसमें से 100 कंपनी मिलेगी, और उसमें से 10 ने रेज कर लिया है ऑलरेडी. एनीवेयर फ्रॉम 1 crore to hundreds of crores, right? तो मतलब चारों तरफ योद्धा खड़े हैं, सबके पास अपने अपने वेपन्स भी हैं, तो आप मतलब इसमें क्यों घुस रहे हो बीच में?
I feel like हमारे products जो that we're doing is the main value prop. हमारे जो products रहेंगे सर वो बहुत different है. अगर ये नवदुर्गा आशीर्वाद बॉक्स देख लो, ऐसे कोई products नहीं बना रहा है. या फिर जैसे हमने एक किया था विशालाक्षी माता पे साड़ी लगवा के कर रहे हैं, उसका ROAS सर 10 से 12 आया है हमारा, just because of the fact कि वो ऐसी ऑफरिंग्स कोई नहीं कर रहा है. सो दैट इज द मेन प्रोपोजिशन. आई स्टिल बिलीव कि हिंदुइज्म इतना बड़ा है कि हमारे पास इतने ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स रहेंगे दैट वी कैन डेफिनेटली एंटर द मार्केट.
मेरा थोड़ा इसमें अलग व्यू है. आई थिंक व्हेन यू एंटर अ मार्केट दैट इज वेरी क्राउडेड एंड दैट हैज अ लॉट ऑफ कैपिटल स्लॉशिंग अराउंड, यू नो, इट्स लाइक सेइंग IPL चल रहा है तो मैं भी टीम बना के उतर जाता हूँ, आपको एंट्री नहीं मिलेगी, है ना? So you need a right to play before you get a right to win. Currently, I'm struggling with the right to play. आपने जो कहा that your products are better, I have no way to judge that. So I'll take your word for it. Let us assume they are better. But ये सारा जो business बना है अभी, products are a very small part of it. और products तो आपको unorganized sector में बहुत सारे मिल जाते हैं. The big part of the business is doing virtual pujas, doing astrology consultations by the minute. तब जाके ये business बना है. Let me also say what I like. अभी तक मैंने देखा नहीं because I might have missed it. But to scan the palm and get a reading right away. आपने इतने डिटेल में नहीं किया है. But if I were you, I would use that as my GTM. That's a good acquisition funnel. But quickly dovetail that into talking to an astrologer. वो किसने किया नहीं अभी तक. और इंडिया में everybody, सब कहीं भी आप चले जाओ, कोई पार्टी में आप बुला लो पामिस्ट को, सब लाइन लगा के खड़े हो जाते हैं, भाई मेरा भी हाथ पड़ दे.
यही हुआ था
और उनको साइड पे पूछोगे भैया विश्वास करना ही नहीं, मैंने तो ऐसे पूछ लिया. तो व्हेन यू आर ट्राइंग टू क्रिएट अ राइट टू प्ले, फर्स्ट यू हैव टू हैव अ रीजन टू शो अप एट द पार्टी, ना? Right? First you create that reason. For that, create a GTM like the palmistry one or a differentiator that nobody else has. Then you'll get some traction. फिर आप देखो उसको कैसे monetize करना है ना? ठीक है, good luck.